Nouns can also be countable or uncountable. Let's explore what that means. Countable nouns are nouns you can count. They have both singular and plural forms. For example, book becomes books and apple becomes apples. You can count them: 1 book, 2 book, 3 books, 3 apples, right? Now, uncountable nouns are nouns you can't really count individually. They usually don't have a plural form. For example, milk and information are uncountable. You wouldn't say milks or informations, right? So remember about countable nouns and uncountable nouns.